Oh shoot. Oh, there's so much stuff. But hey guys, so sorry for the mess in the back, but I just ordered some stuff from Chewy, which I'm very excited about, and I'm building it right now. I was too excited once it came to my front door to even like record, but I'm about to do that all right now. Here's the first one. Yeah, I already did that one. That one was so easy and simple. And so I'm about to do the second one, but I'm about to change real quick because the floor is making my knees so ashy. Show you what I got him. So I got this scratching board because he really loves to scratch the floors and it's so annoying. So it's like a bed and a scratching board. You can flip it over, you can scratch the other side. Yeah. He's been scratching the beds a lot because we got rid of his old scratching board, which is really small. And he likes to sleep on them anyway, so there you go. Then I also got him this Kong. In the Kong, you put the food in, he just plays with it, like treats in it, and the treats will come out of the hole whenever he does it, right? And then I just got him a whole bunch of little balls because he's so crazy. So let me continue.
We grew up, started to touch, used to kiss underneath the light on the back of the bus. And no, your daddy didn't like me much, and he didn't believe me when I said you were the one. And every day, she found a way out of the window to sneak out late.
You used to meet me on the east side, in the city where the sun don't set. And every day you know that we ride in the backseat of a blue Corvette. Baby, you know I just wanna leave tonight. We can go anywhere we want, drive down to the coast, jump in the sea. Just take my hand and come with me, yeah. Let me show you where the sun don't shine. Backseat of a blue Corvette. Let me show you where the sun don't shine. Backseat of a blue Corvette.
She used to meet me on the east side,
Let me show you where the sun don't shine.
and every day you know where we ride through the back streets of my blue Corvette. She used to meet me on the east side, in the city where the sun don't shine. And every day you know where we ride through the back streets of my blue Corvette.
17, we had a dream to have a family, a house and everything in between. And then suddenly, we turned 23 and we got pressure for taking our life more seriously. We got dead-end jobs and we got bills to pay. Half our friends and our enemies. And now I'm thinking back to when I was young, to the day when I was falling in love.
She used to meet me on the east side, in the city where the sun don't set. And every day you know where we ride through the back streets in my blue Corvette. Baby, you know I just wanna leave tonight. We can go anywhere we want, drive down to the coast, jump in the sea. Just take my hand and come with me, baby. Let me show you where the sun don't shine.
Backseat of a blue Corvette. Let me show you where the sun don't shine. Backseat of a blue Corvette.
She used to meet me on the east side,
Let me show you where the sun don't shine.
and every day you know where we ride through the back streets in my blue Corvette. She used to meet me on the east side, in the city where the sun don't shine. And every day you know where we ride through the back streets in my blue Corvette.
Let me show you where the sun don't shine. Backseat of a blue Corvette.
used to hold hands, and that was enough. But we grew up, we started to touch. Used to kiss underneath the light on the back of the bus. And no, your daddy didn't like me much, and he didn't believe me when I said you were the one. And every day, she found a way out of the window to sneak out late.
You used to meet me on the east side in the city where the sun don't set. And every day you know that we ride in the backseat of a blue Corvette. Baby, you know I just wanna leave tonight. We can go anywhere we want. Drive down to the coast, jump in the sea. Just take my hand and come with me, yeah. Let me show you where the sun don't set. Backseat of a blue Corvette. Let me show you where the sun don't set. Backseat of a blue Corvette.
She used to meet me on the east side in the shade where the sun don't set. And every day you know where we ride through the backstreets in the blue Corvette. She used to meet me on the east side in the city where the sun don't set. And every day you know where we ride through the backstreets in the blue Corvette.
17, we had a
Oh, and look at that, it's so tall. Has extra cubes. The hole. I cannot get the scratching board for some reason. But yeah, and I can't get that one on either. I got this piece hooked, but I just need to get it hooked in here like that. But that's hard as well. And then that goes to the bottom, and it comes with like a little rope that's at the bottom that they could play with. And yeah, it's very big because like I'm 5'8". Look how big this tree is. And then I got this 20-inch one, and this one can go like in my room or something because he's always in my room. So it's fuzzy. The bolts are right there for that, and then it comes with scratching boards right here and 2 little balls and then a fluffy thing right there at the bottom. And this is a different fabric compared to the other one. I like this fabric better, and as of right now I'm not too sure. But yeah, that's what I got from Chewy. I'm so excited I ordered from them because he's been like, he likes to sit up high. He likes to sit up on like the counters, the table, because we have a high table, and like it's just annoying. So like I bought this big behind cat tree, and I hope he loves it because he's not even sitting on it right now. He was more in the boxes than he was than he is on this tree. But maybe later on the day he'll probably be on it. I'm about to scooch it in the corner and probably just put this one in my room for now and see what he does. The scratching board can stay out here. He likes to scratch people's beds, which is so annoying. And I'm about to go eat my Chinese food. Thank you for watching. And this mini unboxing wasn't really an unboxing, but because I took everything out of the box before. But yeah, thanks for watching me set up this stupid big behind cat tree, which took me forever. But yeah, bye, thanks for watching.